beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Maggie once again. Today's video I'm going to show you how we steam food in Uganda. I think here when they are when they are preparing some yam or anything like this, they boil it. In Uganda we steam it using banana leaves. I got some already here. As you can see, we have some bananas here, so I got some banana leaves here, and that's what I'm going to be using for today. So I'm going to take you through the process. Thank you for tuning in to watch my videos. So guys, as you can see, I have my banana leaves and I have to peel off all this, because at the end of the day I just want this one only. Guys, I'm very sorry, it's been hard for me to be consistent. Guys, as you can see, I'm very heavy. Yeah, if you have been following me, you have noticed that I have not been so consistent the past days. In the beginning it was so easy for me, but I've been trying so hard to film content for you guys as I'm in Ghana here, but it's quite a little bit difficult because of my condition, and being a new creator, most of the times it's hard for you to decide which kind of content you want to post. Do you want to post about your personal life and all that stuff? But guys, you are family, and I'm deciding today to tell you the good news that we are expecting our baby, our first baby. Yes. And I'll be giving you more details about that, but for now let's go into this one. So if guys, as you can see, I have peeled my bananas, and these are the peels that I got. If I'm going to just steam them, but I have to first wash them thoroughly. And these are my banana leaves. You see, I'm going to wash them thoroughly. So these are the yams. I'm going to be cleaning them, guys. I don't know how I'm going to video for you this one, but let me try. So this is the water yam. It's called water yam, and I have some cocoa yam here. Also I have some sweet potatoes, so I'm going to be putting them all in one pot. This is plantain. I'm going to steam it. I believe this is the healthiest way because you're not using any oil, and let us see how it will come out. So you see, as you can see, I have to clean it very well because it is straight from the farm. So this is the cocoa yam, I mean the water yam. I'm peeling it, and I'm actually not completely peeling it because I'm going to steam it, and I'm chopping it into small pieces, but not really completely small pieces like this one. I'm going to separate it into two, and this small one here is called a cocoa yam. So for the cocoa yam, I'm not doing a lot. I'm just going to be washing it. Yeah, I'm just removing some little bit of the sand, and that's all. For the sweet potato, I'm not going also to be peeling it. My sweet potato is already very old, so I'm just chopping off the ends, and that's it. So this is all I have for today, and I'm going to wash it. As you can see, this is the cocoa yam, this is the sweet potato, and this is the water yam. So this is how the first layer of my saucepan looks like. I'm going to add these banana leaves that I washed earlier. We normally put it like that. Then I'm going to lay my washed cocoa yams on it. So like, I don't want the water to touch my yams. Yes, I have water yam. This is water yam, some cocoa yam. So this is how we steam food in Uganda. This is the local way we steam the food. And lastly, my plantain. This is ripe plantain. I'm going to add a sprinkle of salt. Then I'll sprinkle some water on it like this. Then I'm going to cover it, guys. I don't know how to film for you how I'm going to cover it, but let me try. This is the banana leaf. I'm going to add it here. I don't know how to hold. I don't have any way to hold this one and then show you guys, but I'm going to show you that. So I'm washing the banana leaves to make sure there is no dirt before I can place them on my. So this is how my pan looks like after covering it with the banana leaves, and everything is going to be cooked by the steam that is inside here. So I have put my food on fire, and I'm going to add an extra saucepan to keep the steam inside, you know. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing, guys. As you can see, the color of the banana leaves has turned, and you can see there is a lot of steam. Even the way it was boiling has changed. Like, that means the water is down. So I'm going to take it off, and I hope that everything is ready. This is my pot, and I think my food is ready. So let me unwrap it. Whee! Look at that steam. The aroma smells so good. It smells so good. So I have to take off this. You see, guys, I wasn't able to show you very well how I wrapped it, but this is how it will be. I put 2 layers of banana leaves. You see that smoke coming out? Like, it smells so good. It smells so good. So, like, traditionally when we are serving food, because I don't have the basket we have baskets in Uganda. I don't have basket, so I'm going to use this tray, and I'm going to place some banana leaves on it. So it's very hot. You have to be very careful. So I'm going to put all the food here. You see? I'm going to put all the food here. I don't know if you can see, guys. Let me show you. This is the food. Guys, this is very nice. So it's very hot, so I have to be very careful. Wee. So you see, my food cooked with a steam. It's very hot, guys. It's burning. So I'm going to get some water that I'm going to be using. I have some water here that I will be touching it, so at least it will not burn me so much. This is the sweet potato, you can see. See that, guys? I'm very excited to eat this one. It's burning. It's very hot. And this is the cocoa yam. See that? This is the cocoa yam. So I'm going to take some of the food and I will go to eat right away. This is the food. Wow. Guys, you should just imagine the kind of enjoyment I'm going to be having. Yet it is going to be healthy food. So you can just imagine one potato will be enough. It's only one person that is going to eat all this. Wow. All this is for me. And I'm going to eat with my okra stew. So guys, thank you so much for sticking by to watch my video. You can see I'm sweating from the steam. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Comment in the comment section, how do you cook such food in your country? I love it this way. It's very nice. The aroma from the banana leaves, it's very nice. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're old, you're my old subscriber, I really appreciate you so much. Bye bye.